Hi friends, in today's video we are going to see how to make a sweet dish by a sweet potato. First take 250 ml of milk and just boil it. Once it started to boil, I have already peeled the skin and I have already shredded this in water so that the color will not change. Now once the milk have been boiled, I'm just adding this along with this water and just closing this vessel for 20 minutes and just leave it as it is in a low flame to cook it well. After 20 minutes, you can add a cardamom powder if required. Along with this, you can add a jaggery. If the jaggery is not available, you can add sugar also. You can add a little bit of saffron if required. Now once the milk started to boil, just rinse it well and for 5 to 10 minutes close it, and now this sweet potato recipe is ready. You can serve by garnishing with some dry fruits. Try this recipe. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share to others. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.